Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to look at actually finding slope, and we're going to do that from using a graph. So we see we have 2 points. I recommend starting with a point that is the farthest to the left, and then figure out how do we move to the next one. So I'm going to make a little slope triangle. I'm going to go up and to the right. So when I look at this, my vertical change is I'm going up 1, so that's going to be a positive 1, and I go to the right 2 spots, so that's positive 2. And then I can look at my rise over my run, which was going to be positive 1 over to the right a positive 2. So my slope is going to be 1/2. I can move on to the next one. Right, it's the same deal. I start with my point that's farthest to the left. Now in this case, I have to go down and then right. So I'm going down 3 spots. So I'm going to put a -3, and I go right 1 spot. So it's my vertical change over my horizontal change. So it's -3 over 1. So when I simplify that, my slope is just going to be a -3. Okay, again, same deal. Now I'm going to go start my left one, go over to my right point. I went up 2, so that's a positive 2. I went right 3. Again, I write it as my vertical change over my horizontal change, which is going to be 2 over 3. So my slope is 2/3. Now we've kind of talked about how we do it graphically. You can move on to the next video and look how we're going to use the slope formula to find slope, and maybe when we don't have a graph.